If you want to change the background in Pixlr Photo Editor, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. We're going to remove the original background, save your subject with transparency, open a new background, and then place your subject back into the new scene. This is a super useful technique for product photos, profile images, thumbnails, and creative edits. And the best part is that you can do it right inside Pixlr. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser on your PC and go to Pixlr's free AI background remover. Once the page loads, click Open Image and upload the photo of the subject you want to cut out. This could be a person, an object, or any image where you want to separate the main subject from the background. After you upload the image, Pixlr's AI will automatically detect the subject and remove the background for you. You'll know it worked when the background turns into that checkerboard pattern, which means the transparent area is ready. Now that your subject has been isolated, the next step is to save it properly. Click Download and choose PNG format. This is very important because PNG preserves transparency, which means your subject will stay cut out cleanly without a background around it. If you save it as another format, you could lose that transparent effect, so make sure PNG is selected before downloading. Next, go back to the Pixlr homepage and launch Pixlr E, which is the advanced editor. This is where you'll build your final composition. Click Open Image again and select the photo you want to use as your new background. This could be a scenic location, a studio-style backdrop, a branded design, or any image that fits the look you want for your final edit. Once your background image is open, it's time to bring in your subject. At the top menu bar, click Layer, then choose Add Image as Layer. Now locate the Transparent PNG file you saved in the first step and open it. Pixlr will place your subject on top of the background as a new layer, which is exactly what we want. At this point, your subject should appear in the scene, but it may need some adjustment to fit naturally. To make the placement look right, press V on your keyboard to activate the Arrange tool. This tool makes it easy to move and resize the subject layer. Click and drag the corners of the bounding box to make the subject larger or smaller. Then drag the center of the subject to position it where it looks best against the new background. You can align it more to the left, right, or center depending on the composition you want. Taking a little extra time here helps the final image look much more realistic and polished. If needed, you can also zoom in and fine-tune the placement so the subject sits naturally in the frame. For example, if you're placing a person into a landscape, make sure the scale matches the background. If you're editing a product photo, make sure the object is centered and balanced. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the background in Pixlr Photo Editor using the AI background remover, a new background layer, and simple arrange tools. This is one of the easiest ways to create clean, professional-looking edits without needing advanced design skills. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.